Hi imagiCoders! What's your morning routine like? For me, it usually takes about an hour to get ready for another productive Imagi day. But as you know, I quite like thinking outside of the box, so I created a timer that helps me get really motivated and energized in the morning. All I have to do is to tell my program how many different activities I'm planning to do this morning and how much time I have. Today, I will do 5 different activities. Time is up! Let's get to work! And that's your task for day 11. Make your version of the countdown clock and share it in our community with #day11. All the tips and tricks are in our Learning Hub, so check it out and ask questions if you have any. TikTok, don't forget, time is one of the most valuable things we have, so use it wisely. Happy coding!